This looks cruel, but sometimes it's done to save a life. Some people remove a horse's eyes like this. At first glance, it looks horrifying. So why would anyone do it? Because a horse's eyes are extremely sensitive. When horses lower their heads to eat grass, dust, dirt, and small particles can easily enter their eyes. In some cases, this leads to severe infections. If the infection spreads, the horse can suffer intense pain, lose its vision, and in extreme situations, the infection can even become life-threatening. When treatment fails and the pain cannot be controlled, removing the eye becomes the last option to save the horse's life and stop the suffering. It isn't done for convenience. It's done when there's no other way. Like the video now, some stories need explanation.